Hello everyone, my name is Alex Chosovsky and I'm the Director of Speaking Services here at ITR Economics. Today I wanted to talk to those of you involved in the electrical products industry and talk to you a little bit about some of the things that we're seeing that are causing us to expect a bit of a slowdown in your sector over the course of 2019. And predominantly I want to focus on the residential housing and the residential construction markets this year, because some of the near-term signs are certainly a little bit of concern for us. So for instance, overall housing starts in this country are currently up 1.7% on a year-over-year basis, but when you look at it on a quarter-over-quarter basis, meaning looking at just the last 3 months comparing to the same 3 months from last year, that's actually down 10.6%. If you look at single-unit, single-family housing starts, those are performing marginally better in terms of the growth rate, so year-over-year up 1.9%, but again quarter-over-quarter down 9.3%. And the bulk of the negativity, or at least more negative, is the multifamily sector. Right now we're seeing a quarter-over-quarter growth rate in that particular segment of the housing market of minus 13.2%. All of this points to a slowdown in housing starts and residential construction over the course of 2019. We're expecting about a mid-single digit contraction in that part of the market. And of course, that's going to have implications for the products that you sell to that particular segment of your business, meaning the contactors, the relays, the transfer switches, and so on, that are bought by both housing contractors at stores like Home Depot and Lowe's, and also by individual consumers when they go to buy replacement components. So I want you to understand that there are some slowdown signs in the housing market, in the residential sector overall, and you should plan accordingly as you traverse 2019. Thanks so much for giving me a few minutes of your time, and I'll look forward to talking to you again soon.